Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Excel in order to complete your lab report. So in order to complete the functions after inputting all of the information we know, you're going to open up starting a function by clicking on the equal sign on your keyboard. Then you're going to move your mouse over and you're going to select your starting mass of lead nitrate. Then you're going to divide, so you're going to click on the divide, the forward slash, by your molar mass. Then you're going to multiply by your coefficient, which you found from your equation, and then you're going to click enter, and that will show you what the moles of reactant used are. Then, in order to solve for the grams of lead iodide that are produced, once again, in order to open a function, we click equals. Then you're going to click on the moles of reactant used cell, and you're going to multiply that by the molar mass of the substance used, and once again, click enter, which allows the answer to show up. And one really cool thing to help us adjust for significant digits is these two buttons up here. So I can either show more decimal places by clicking that one, or show less decimal places by clicking this one. And in this case, we want 3 sig figs, so we stop there. And that's the start of what you need to know.